What's up, you guys? Today I'm coming to you under a car. This is a Ford Explorer 1999, and today I want to be changing the oxygen sensor. This is Lycan Auto. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and yeah, watch the rest of this video. So today I'm going to be changing this oxygen sensor. This is I put my OBD2 scanner up to it, read the codes on the car. It said it needed the oxygen sensor, bank 2, sensor 1. So a lot of people don't describe what bank 2 and sensor 1 is. Bank 2 will be the driver's side of the car. Sensor 1 will be the sensor before the catalytic converter. Sensor 2 is everything, is the sensors after the catalytic converter. And let me two things right there is the catalytic converter. The sensors before it, the O2 sensors, it will be sensor 1 on both sides. The banks, for you to tell the difference on, hold on, let the camera focus. The difference on the banks will be passenger side, driver side. That's how you know what bank you're working on. Okay, let's go on and change this. For this car, I got the new sensor right here. And this is the old sensor. I did not break it. It was already loose like this. So that is definitely not good for it to be super loose like this already. And for me to hand take it off. Look at that. I just literally took that off with my hand. I didn't even have to use this special tool to put it on. Okay, and this the connector up there. Let me unplug that and put the new sensor on. A little bit of work. I finally got the old sensor off. By a little bit of work, this one come out. So this is the new sensor right here. Just want to check and make sure everything is the same. Old sensor, new sensor. Already got the stuff on it so it won't seize. It's a little different design, but it's the same thing. The cord, let me make sure this cord is the same length. Okay, so you just want to make sure it's the same length. What up? Always. Let's put the new one on. I'm not gonna lie, the new one do look a little smaller right in this area, but I'm pretty sure it's the same size. So you just want to take the new one, don't plug it in yet, leave it unplugged because it's going to be easier to screw in. Then you just twist it somewhere, hand twist it so you won't mess up the threads. Perfect fit. Alright, and you want to make sure this is tight. Put your special tool on there, get it nice and tight. Let's do this back. Put my ratchet on here. Can you believe the shop is charging $60 to do this? Depends on the car. You can come to me. Of course, Lycan Auto. You can always come to us. And we won't charge $60. Depends on the car and how hard it is to get to. Something like this that's super easy to get to, I probably would have charged you $40, $45. You know, something simple. Something reasonable. Not no $60 freaking dollars. Nice and tight. And once you got it on there nice and tight, whew, just plug it back in and you're good to go. Everything is back on there super tight, back through the clip and back plugged up.